Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for simultaneous linear equation. So each diagram show the graphs of two linear, okay, they provided it. Use the graph to find the simultaneous solution to each pair. Okay, the simultaneous is the point that two lines met. Okay, so this is the point. So the simultaneous is 3.2 or x equal to 3 and then y equal to. Here also the point that they met is 1 and 0.2. So x equal to 1, y equal to. Here also the point that they met is 3 point minus 1. So x equal 3, y equal to minus 1. The point that they met is here. So 3.5. X equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Okay, for each pair of the equation, draw suitable graph and use them to find the simultaneous equation. Okay, let us draw the graph first. Okay, so this is the graph. Oh, sorry. You need to make it a proper graph. Okay, here I got the ruler. So this is the graph that we are going to use. Okay, 9. So this is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, a moment. Okay, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, I'll make it this. Okay, we can make it until 4, minus 4, I mean. Okay, there we go. So this is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there it is. So let us write. Here is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, let us take a look first. So this point when x equal to 0, so we'll close it like this. So y will be equal to minus 5. Now when y equal to 0, okay, just close it y. So it's gonna be 5 over 3. Okay, there it is. So we got 0 and minus 5. Okay, next point. When x equal to 0, let's close it. Y equal to 5. And when y equal to 0, x equal to, okay, 5 over 2. That's the point. Okay, make it 5, the y. So let us count in 2. So this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and minus 8. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So first point, we got 0 and minus 5. So 0 and minus 5 approximately here. And then 5 over 3. So 5 over 3 is 1.66. So yeah, we can say here. So let us draw the straight line. Okay, so this is y equal to 3x minus 5. Now the blue 0 and 5. So the line is here. And then when y is 0, so 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 is here. So let us make it the straight line. Okay, this is not that straight. Okay, it's not straight. Okay, let me use a ruler. We have to be careful. Okay, there it is. We got, so x is 2 and y equal to 1. So this for a, x equal 2 and y equal to 1. Let me make it mark. Okay. Okay, next, let us give a try for here. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Same thing when y equal to 0, x equal to. Okay, we got it perfect. Next, sorry. So when x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. Next, while y equal to 0, x equal to 6. So 6, 0. Okay, we got it, these 2 points. Let us draw. So when x 0, y2 is here. And then when x2, y0 is here. So let us draw the straight line. Okay, here we go, the straight line. So this is 4x plus y equal to. The blue is 4y equal to minus 2x plus 5. Okay, next here, let us draw when x equal to 0, y is minus 2, and x is here 6. Okay, let's draw the straight line. Okay, here we go, the straight line. Okay, so this is x minus 3y equal to 6. So what is the midpoint? Here, x equal to 3. And y, where is y? Equal to, here, minus 1. So x equal to x equal to 3. Y equal to minus 1. Okay, mark. Next, C and D, then you can give a try. I don't have a space to draw it. Okay, number 3. 5 graphs have been drawn and the same set of axes. Determine the equation of each line A to E. Find the simultaneous for each solution. Okay, first we need to determine what is. Okay, A. The easiest is A. Look at there. Minus 2y. So this is y equal to minus 2. So I will write it here. A equal to y equal to minus 2. Ruler I will. Oh. B. Okay, B. Let us find the gradient. So this is the gradient. 4 and 4. 3 and 3. So gradient, the y is 4 minus 3 and x is also the same thing, 4 minus 3. So the gradient is 1. So y intersect is 0. So B. Okay, so this is A. So B equal to y, gradient is 1, so x, y equal to x. Next, C, let us use this, okay, point 3.3. So 3, the gradient, and with this point, 2 and 0. So 2 and 0, so 3 over 1. So the gradient is 3. So it's gonna be 3x. And the y-intercept is minus 6. So 3x minus 6. So y equal to 3x minus 6 for C. Next for D, where is D? Here we go. Okay, let us use this point. This is 0 and minus 1. So gradient is minus 1 over this 0. And, okay, this point. Minus 1 and 6. So minus 6 and minus 1. What is it? Okay, x is 0, y is minus 1. Okay, and then x equal to minus 1, y is 0. So this for C. So this is x1, x1, y1. Okay, and here, not 6. First is minus 1 and 6. So x2, y2. Okay, y2 is 6 minus by minus 1 and minus 1 minus by 0. So it's gonna be 7 divided by minus 1. So the gradient is minus 7. So for D, y equal to minus 7x, and the y-intercept is minus 1. So minus 7x and minus 1. Okay. Next, the last line is E. Okay, let us use this point. So this is 4 and minus 4. And we can use here this point. 3 and minus 2. So minus 4 minus by 2, the gradient divided by 4 minus 3. Minus by minus, so plus. So minus 2 divided by 1, so the gradient is minus 2. So for E, y equal to minus 2x, and the y-intercept is 4 plus by 4. There it is. We got the line. Now find the simultaneous. We'll find the simultaneous. A and B. Where is A and B? Okay, here the simultaneous. So x equal to minus 2. Y is minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Okay, next, B and C. B and C. Okay, this point, x equal to 3, y equal to 3. So x equal to 3, y equal to 3. A and E. A and E. Okay, this point, x equal to 3. And y equal to minus 2. Okay, next, D and E. Where is D? Okay, here is D. And E. And E. Okay, this point. So x is minus 1. Y is 6. Last question, C and E. Okay, here x is 2 and y equal to 0. Okay, there it is. I will continue to the next part. Thank you.